Mr. Clinton.
Me name the iguana, me love the callaloo soup.
Mr. Clinton. Mr. Clinton.
You eat it?
Yeah, baby, Miss Blinga.
Chinese on the move with the bomber clap.
Oh, you like the iguana?
Name the
Curry?
iguana to bomber clap.
You curry?
Love it, yeah, me curry the iguana. Me curry the iguana.
And so how you cook? How you cook it? Who's that cooking?
Huh?
Nasty.
How do you cook it? Tell us.
Boom garlic. Me boom garlic. You know
Yeah,
what's that?
we cannot see. We cannot see.
Sir, you come here. You go run them out.
Look, we can't see.
Come here now, sir. Make your $5 to go run them out.
Me go invite you to come and go and prepare a nice iguana curry for you.
All right, let me ask you something.
Come on, we run them out for me, sir.
Rockaboo, we're not seeing anything.
Being I'm afraid that iguana them, somebody have to run them out of the bush. Me have to go ask, sir,
But we don't see you. We don't see you.
May I make somebody run them out? Can you?
Him stupid no blood clot. He not even know if it turn on his blood clot camera. Come up, your blood clot.
Yo, you idiot, I will invite you.
You fucking
I will invite you.
Come up,
I will invite you, dirty rascal.